Welcome to DJM
E don settle. Simon Ekpa don respond to IFeanyi Ubah order to stop Monday sit at home.
Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome una to this our channel DJM TV, where ogbonge tori and update dey happen o. My people, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una no waste time again o. Make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime wey we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbanga. And our Facebook page, make una follow us and make una like. My people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates wey we carry come for una this time around. Make una watch.
My people, not be small thing dey happen for southeast too. Until this Monday sit at home gbege wey dey ground since so. This gbege between IPOB Biafra and the kirikiri wey Nnamdi Kanu dey since. My people, this thing e get as e dey long one kind dey be now. Yesterday for here, IFeanyi Ubah come give speech to stop the Monday sit at home for east. He talk say Simon Ekpa wey be say na him dey enforce this whole thing as the prime minister of the Biafra. Say na Ebonyi state Simon Ekpa for come o, and the same Ebonyi state wey for come like this, they no dey observe this thing like that. So if he wan dey do sit at home, make he carry am go his state, make he go dey do am for a village with his family members. No be small thing o. The one wey IFeanyi Ubah take come out yesterday be like who really ready to for this kind talk. Right now una know Simon Ekpa he no go quiet o, because he know he na my people, he don come out like this he don as in he don send better message give IFeanyi Ubah, and he don order the Biafra dey say all the businesses wey be say IFeanyi Ubah get for east, say make nobody patronize them. As in my people, I no fit even explain this thing finish. I need to play una this video make una hear wetin he talk, because this one na voice message na him send like this. Make una hear this voice message so una hear wetin Simon Ekpa talk for inside, because these people are not joking at all. The one wey this whole matter come be, na e come be like say this war abi na this gbege wey dey happen for southeast, now dem dey fight theirself, now dem be their enemy. Because IFeanyi Ubah na from southeast, Simon Ekpa na from southeast. If they say okay, make dem dey observe Monday sit at home based on say Nnamdi Kanu dey kirikiri, they suppose all of them suppose put well together to see as or take do am, make this man, make dem release this man, make this whole thing stop. But if no, some dey go behind the other side, they talk like this, they talk like this. So if una look this whole thing, these eastern people, these southeast people, na dem be enemy of their self. Anyway, my people, make I play on my own na to come report wetin dey happen. No be me wan settle their matter, my people. Make I play on this video na una hear wetin Simon Ekpa talk. He don respond to IFeanyi Ubah, of which we know say he must respond. This guy no dey dull. He don reply IFeanyi Ubah like this. So my people, una lis ten, una watch.
Buying pump action given to criminals and kidnappers in Nnewi, for them to from becoming a security to now threatening our people doing business in Nnewi, that they are going to burn their shop, they are going to destroy their gate, the gate to their market, they are going to destroy the doors if anybody did not open market. For that reason, we are making the following announcement this evening. We want Biafrans to identify every business owned by IFeanyi Ubah, and we are placing sanction on IFeanyi Ubah business from tonight. We want every Biafrans to boycott anything that IFeanyi Ubah is importing to Biafra territory. From tonight, we are placing a ban on every item that IFeanyi Ubah is importing into Biafra land. I want Biafras in the homeland to make sure that every business owned by IFeanyi Ubah is identified. Every item he is bringing to Biafra land is identified. And from tonight, we are placing a ban on all his items, and no patronage from any Biafran will go to IFeanyi Ubah from tonight. The implementation will be supervised by Biafra de facto government in the homeland. We want every business of IFeanyi Ubah. The sanctions start from tonight. We don't want you to patronize him. And in a few days, I will be able to come and announce the products of IFeanyi Ubah. We are going to boycott it from A to Z. We want to tell him that that particular business he is doing that is giving him impetus to fight against Biafra. Actually, Biafras are funding him. He is making money out of Biafra people, and we are going to cut that money very short. You must go and listen to Simon.
Hey, my people, not be small gbege o, not be small thing o. This matter e don dey long well as una dey see am so. Before they even dey come now say gbege don even dey for Ebonyi like this o, no be small thing o. Say gbege don start like this for southeast Ebonyi state now e dey hot, no be small. Anyway, my people, na the updates we will carry come for now like this business. So how una reason this so matter, una see am. Make una drop una comment for the comment section and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ